This is the clutch installed, and what I decided to do was take one of my two new Kevlar belts. For some reason I had an old stock Bando belt and I don't know why, but that's what happens when you build a motor in March. Little things just seem to escape me. I have Dr. Pulley weights in the variator. They're 8 gram. This is a Kevlar heavy duty belt made in America. I think it's called an Erlander, and it's a reasonable price. I also have Molossi. I would suggest, if you're building a big stroker, use a Kevlar belt, because this motor will stretch these belts. Once they stretch them, it is they get sloppy at high speeds. Another thing I use is, you want to clean your variator face, your drive face, that's what this is called. You want to clean it up real well. Make sure there's no gas, oil, or anything on them. We put them on like right here. Okay, and then there's a washer. And what I do, and I've tried this before, thread locker, which is a high strength nut locker. Sounds like a damn porno, doesn't it? This is a nut locker. Tiffany gave it to me. Anyway, with the red thread locker compared to the blue will come off with a lot of torque. Red only comes off the heat gun. So you've got to get yourself a heat gun, and that's a good and a bad thing. It's a good thing when you don't want the nut to come off. Now what I found in my travels is that I can torque this bitch on all the way, okay, with whatever except red thread locker. At high speed, this belt will catch. Well, it just gets it gets hot. It catches on this and it spins this. Somehow it spins the nut off, and I still haven't figured out how. And I've walked home 2 or 3, 4 miles in the summer because of this backing off, and I don't have any drive unit. So with the thread locker, let's see if I can put some on here one-handed. And you really don't know how much you got in here with this stuff, because you can't tell. But if you want to glue something on and not have it come off, that's what you use. This little, you can see it's red. And I'll use a little bit on here. I'm going to have to stop the camera and do this.